Hello, my fellow mathletes, and welcome back. In this video, we're looking at question number 8 on our 2012 Pascal. According to the ruler shown, what is the length of PQ? Okay. So I've got a nice ruler here. I see 1, I assume centimeters, 2, 3. They don't actually have to be centimeters. Nobody's telling me the unit of measurement. Okay. But I can also see we've got these tinier notches here. Okay. Now, you have to understand how rulers are meant to work. And so these notches have meaning. This one here is halfway between 1 and 2, and these are halfway between halfway, so they would represent a quarter. Now if we... And the only reason I'm copying this is because I like drawing at least something in my notebook. So here's 1, 2, 3. And we had a little notch there. Little notch, bigger notch, little notch. Little notch, bigger notch, little notch. Little notch, bigger notch, little notch. Okay? So if this is 1, this is 1.5. This is 2.5. Now I want to find the distance between P and Q. Where are P and Q? So P is above the middle notch here. Q is above this tinier notch. Okay? So Q is here, and P is here. Now, what would these be? Well, technically we should have 0 down here. Halfway between 0 and 1 should be 0.5. Okay? Halfway between 2.5 and 3 is this notch, and we can work that out as 2.75. Okay? So the distance between P and Q, which is what we're asked, is 2.75 minus the 0.5. And that'll be 2.25. And that gets our answer. Okay? Now, that's not the only way to do it. I'm always a big fan of showing multiple ways to do questions if it's appropriate and if the ways are actually different. So instead of actually figuring out on sort of our number line where these things are, you could say, all right, this is the P notch, this is the Q notch. And as I've already remarked, the difference between these notches here is always a quarter. And the little notches are a quarter, but the distance between successive notches is a quarter. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 notches to get from P to Q. 9 times a quarter is 2.25. And that's another way to get our answer. Okay? So 2.25, that means we're going to bubble in A. All right. We've only got a couple more questions to go in part A of our Pascal contest. Up next will be, of course, question number 9.